What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's all about great news, epic news. Crowd1 breaking news, of course. In fact, it's an epic promotion, the most powerful promotion ever. Indeed, Crowd1 promotion, an epic one. You can see today is August 26, 2020. There's this huge breaking news for an epic promotion which is back for Crowd1 members to take advantage of. As you already know, Crowd1 is the world's fastest growing online networking company, and it will always deliver the industry's most powerful promotion ever. Indeed, no doubt. Okay, in the exclusive period of 18 days, starting today, and up till September 12th, the day of the Crowd1 September World Event. In fact, this Crowd1 event really presents chapter 8 of the greatest promotion of all time in online networking. This for free upgrade for all new and existing Crowd1 members. You see, this epic promotion which gives you a free upgrade when buying or upgrading a Crowd1 package starts today, August 26th. That's 12 o'clock CET, and will be valid. Okay, it will be valid for a limited time. Indeed, it's for a limited time. It will be valid until September 12th, 10 a.m. CET. So when you join Crowd1 at any level, they will upgrade you for free. If you already are a Crowd1 member and do an upgrade, you will be upgraded to the next level for free. As you know, we have several packages here. We have the white, we have the black. Okay, we have a couple of them. So let's look at them. The black, okay, from the whites. You see, the white is the beginning. Once you start from the black, once you start from the white, when you register for a white package, we will upgrade you to the black package. Very, very powerful. This actual cost, but here you get it for free. And when you register for a black package, we will upgrade you to the gold package. Also, when you register for a gold package, they will upgrade you to a titanium package. When you register for a titanium package, you'll upgrade you to the amazing titanium pro package. So this is an epic promo. The epic promotion is the most powerful way ever for all new and existing Crowd1 members to exclusively upgrade their business and get the most amazing and uncomparable stats in online networking worldwide. You just to make sure to take advantage of this amazing opportunity and do not miss out. Okay, so get free upgrades. Just click here and then get it out. This really is amazing. You can't find this elsewhere. This is incomparable. You can't find something like this elsewhere. Indeed. Let me just go over there and show you something. Okay, I will not make this video long, but this is just it here. This is an epic promotion. So you can see that there are some of the pools. They don't cost a lot, but if you just upgrade to any of them, you'll be given the next one free of charge. And if you're also a new member that's coming on board, once let's say you pick a white package, you're upgraded to gold for black to black for free. Okay, which would have cost you 200 years. So that is it here. So let me just play this short video here. Hey guys, that is it. That's with the power of easy. The power of easy with Crowd1. So check it out. If you are not a member of Crowd1 yet, just check right below this video in the description. You click on the link there to come join my team, Glory Holiness, and let us do it together. I'm going to help you. Let's make the world a better place for ourselves. Check it out. See you inside.